Welcome back and thanks for staying with us.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, hurricane victims living in shelters at the Petersfield High School in Westmoreland will spend their last evening at the facility today.
Our reporter Kimberley Peddie has been speaking with the residents and now reports.
We want to go home. Bottom line, we want to go home. It's been a long time.
A concerned Orlando Ennis, who has been living at the Petersfield High School for months with his family. As the clock ticks, he is making preparations to move to another temporary housing solution after what he said has been months of broken promises.
They had 6 months, so I really thought that they would start in January, get the homes up. When the food for the poor fell off the table, basically, you should have contingency plans. It looks like there was no contingency plan for us.
Here, his mother-in-law, Maureen Bale, is packing the family's belongings to be transported next door. Others could be seen doing last-minute washing and cleaning. Miss Bale told TVJ News that she's relieved.
I will feel more calmer and I will be more comfortable. Yes, it's a sense of relief.
TVJ News understands that within the next 6 to 8 weeks, they should be getting container houses. But the shelterees are cautiously optimistic.
It's a 6 to 8 weeks, we say hands off. 2 promises broken, hands off. Let's see how this one plays out.
When me see it. When me see it with me eye, me can't say yes. But if me not see it, me can't say yes. When me see it with me eye, me say yeah, I really true. But me no want no promise again. The promise it can't fulfill.
Meanwhile, shelter manager Mr. J. Anthony Clark is working to ensure the transition is smooth as the people leave the school a day ahead of the May 8 deadline given by local government Minister Desmond McKenzie.
Today is the penultimate day before they are relocated to another temporary housing solution. But having met with the residents, they are more optimistic that something is coming their way, that an ultimate solution is coming their way.
While admitting that the shelterees have been through a lot over the past months, Mr. Clark is appealing for psychosocial support for them. Kimberley Peddie for TVJ News.